Wow, wow, wow. What a great lot. Hi you guys, it's Deborah from Timeless Jewel by Deborah. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am Timeless Jewel by Deborah. I do a lot of jewelry unboxings and live sales. I also sell purses and kids clothing, a whole bunch. So I will have a bunch of new types of sales coming up in the new year, so stay tuned. So today we're opening up a Swanee, Georgia. I believe it's 15 piece, and I received it 12/3 of 2023. Hopefully this one has all of its pieces in it. We opened that one box, and it only had 12. It's supposed to have 15. So I guess we're going to hope that this one's spectacular, right? Make up for that. So, all right. The gift of thrift. These are a $25 off of a $35 purchase, but they're only good for new customers and not good on rescues. So I have about 15 of these now. So I may be slipping them in some mail and stuff like that, just in case. All right, so I ordered this November 20th of 2023. Love it. They are pillows. Those will definitely get reused. Let's hope this is a wonderful box. Look out for that one that we had before. Alright, so let's go ahead. It looks like some might be in multiple bags. So we've got, looks like 2 pieces there, maybe 2. A bunch, 3. Okay, let me just go ahead and pull them all out. Alright. Alright, well, let's hope this one, excuse me, I just hit you guys with the box. Let's hope this one has 15 pieces in it. So what I'll do is I will go ahead and go through, see, feel like there's one in there. Let me go ahead and see if we got a few in here. We got 2, 3, 4. I tried to save these. Well, there's no saving that one. So we were in 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 9. Okay, 9. Looks like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we got gypped again. Only 14 pieces in this. So, okay, I'll recount and then we will get started. All right, so let's get started. We have a new name to me, La Meno, and it's out of Los Angeles. These are rose gold, really long earrings. There is the back. So they are for pierced ears. They measure in at 4 inches. We'll go ahead and do these for 10. Pretty. Okay. Then we have a pair of Lane Bryant earrings. Aren't these adorable? They look like a pyrite. They're just so neat. They are large bows. They are new on the card. They are post back. They measure in by 4 inches to the longest of your ribbon. And then the width is 2.5. Go ahead and do these Lane Bryants for 5. Pretty. Okay. Then we have a pair of sterling silver earrings. And these are either a glass or maybe an onyx. I'm going to err on glass. They are marked at 925. I did test them. They're really pretty. They're faceted. Let's go ahead and do those for 10. Okay. Then we have a new with the tag loft ring. Isn't that pretty? It's like a yellowish green with a gray and then a faux pearl in the center. It is stretchy. I would say it could stretch best up to about a 7. Really adorable. We'll go ahead and do this one for 6. Okay, I was excited when I saw this. This is costume. So we have I call them infinity rings because it's constant around. Isn't that pretty? So it's a very soft gold tone, kind of maybe like a washed out gold tone ring. This fits a size 7 and we can do that for 6. Pretty. All right, move that on. Okay, then we have a faux pearl gold tone, unmarked, it doesn't open, bangle. It looks like it's in pretty good condition. I'm just double checking to make sure there's no major scratches or anything. There's a little dip right there, but it's pretty. This does measure an 8 on the bracelet mandrel. We'll go ahead and do that for, let's do that for 5. Okay, one of my favorite pieces. Here we go. Heidi Daus. Look at this. It's like a peacock aurora borealis. Look at the detail on the sides of the setting. So you have a fold over clasp. It is marked Heidi Daus right there. Really pretty piece. I love that color. It's 7.25 inches. And we can go ahead and do this Heidi Daus for, let's do that for 40. All right. So this I had to look up. It is a mixed material. This is a J. Jill. This normally had like a paper tag on it, but the paper tag is not there. So we have a tassel at the end. This is called the Jill Sunset Dunes tassel. It's wood, stone, and acrylic. And it goes from 32 inches total length to 34 inches. So really pretty. So here you've got glass, you've got a crystal, you have some wood. So it is a mixed material. So this is by J. Jill. We'll go ahead and do that for 10. All right. I love this piece. I love rose gold. I think it's beautiful. And when paired with a faux pearl, let me get this untangled. All right. So once you pair it with the faux pearls, it is gorgeous. So we have one rhinestone square here on its axis, and then we have two different sizes of faux pearls. It is in a rose gold. We have dots of these circle rhinestones, super pretty, super long. I couldn't find a maker's mark on this. It measures in at 48 inches, and we can do this one for 12. Pretty. All right, so this is Robert Lee Morris Soho. So let me see if I can bring that up. So it's marked RLM Soho. So this is his diffusion line. There is another marking. It is gold tone. Go ahead and I'm going to put it sideways here so I can get it all on the screen. So you have these little ovals coming off, and then your center comes down to an oval as well. So this measures in at 19 inches. So for this Robert Lee Morris Soho, we can go ahead and do, let's do 15. All right. So then you have the bagged item, and Taylor. Hint, hint. I love this. So let me get this one laid out as well. So this is 5 strands, and I love how the color shifts from a pale gray, and then it comes down to a beautiful gray, and then this one has more of that iridescence to it, and it is a lovely, lovely necklace. So for this 5-strand faceted acrylic necklace, it's 20 inches. So we can do that for 10, and it does come with its bag. Okay. Next up, we have a silver tone. No maker's mark on this necklace. So you have dangles. This is pink quartz, and then we have glass, and this was reading towards garnet, but I'm not going to swear that it's garnet, so we'll just say that it's a stone. This is silver tone. Here is the design. It's pretty. I wish I knew who made this. This one is 16 inches, and we can go ahead and do that for 5. All right. Next up, we have a really pretty, if I can get it, here we go, Loft piece. Loft has some gorgeous jewelry. So this is a silver tone dainty chain, and then look, I love this. It moves, and I call it the wheel disc, and it has pave stones. It is silver tone, and this one measures in from 16 inches. Then with the extender, it would be 18 inches. We can go ahead and do that for 8. All right. This is gorgeous, gorgeous. So it is silver tone. Here is your clasp. There's no maker's mark on it. And then you have faceted glass here as well. So lovely, lovely piece. Let's get that all into frame. It is 34 total inches. It's a beautiful faceted clear station necklace. We can do this one for 15. All right. So love this. Michael Kors. So this is a turquoise colored acrylic with gold tone, and you see the links. It is a necklace. So pretty. This thing's in excellent, excellent condition. I just love it. The tag looks pretty good as well. Bring that up so you can see the condition. And so you push this down. Now I can't do it. Isn't that funny? Okay. Yeah, okay. You push it down there and it pops out this side. I have to be smarter than the necklace, right? So this is a lovely Michael Kors piece. It is 28 inches long. Absolutely stunning. We can go ahead and do this for 80. So, all right, guys, what do you think? What was your favorite piece? We got this beautiful Michael Kors, this Heidi Daus, jade gel. We got the rings, some sterling earrings, some Lane Bryant earrings, new to me name La Mena. And we got this lovely. We got the RLM Soho, Robert Lee Morris. We got the Ann Taylor. We got this really pretty mixed materials necklace, and we got that Ann Taylor. So leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite piece is. And if you are interested in any of these pieces, you can email me at timelessjewelbydeborah gmail.com. All the information is right down there. Plus, there will be that green screen right after this video that gives you ordering instructions. So, wow. And thanks so much for being one of my subscribers and viewers. I really appreciate all of you guys. And not just this time of the year, but all year. So as I end all of these, I want to thank you for spending a little bit of your time with me today. And as always, please be well and take care. Tell someone you love them today. Bye, you guys.